Fast technical videos are becoming increasingly popular as they provide a way to learn about new technologies and their potential impact on the world. One such technology that is poised to change the world is generative pre-trained transformers and artificial intelligence. The origins of GPT are rooted in the history of bread and beer, which are both ancient technologies that have had a profound impact on society. Historically, clean water was hard to come by and people relied on alcoholic beverages as a safe option for hydration. However, the introduction of coffee in the late 14th century changed that as it allowed people to stay sober and get more work done. This change in behavior is thought to have played a role in the European Renaissance. In the present day, GPT is a powerful machine learning technique that allows us to ask it anything and get an answer. The original paper on GPT was written by Alec Radford and his colleagues and was published on OpenAI's website in June 2018. As of 2021, there are 3 versions of GPT, with GPT 3.5 being the most powerful and widely used. With GPT-4 set to be released this year, the possibilities of what we can ask GPT are virtually endless. However, with this power comes responsibility, as GPT can also be used to provide both sides of an argument and can be used to cheat on exams or run a country in a way that is not always ethical. The problem with GPT is that it is trained on all kinds of data, including newspapers, books, song lyrics, programming code, and anything that can be expressed in words. This means that it can present both sides of an argument in a very coherent and persuasive manner, making it difficult to determine the truth. Additionally, GPT has been trained on a large corpus of data, which includes the internet in 2021, and this data may contain biases and misinformation. This is why it is important to be cautious when using GPT and to always fact-check any information it provides. In conclusion, GPT and AI are powerful technologies that are poised to change the world in many ways. They have the potential to revolutionize industries, improve our lives, and even bring out a second renaissance. However, with this power comes responsibility, and it is important to use these technologies ethically and with caution. As society continues to develop and advance in technology, it's crucial to keep in mind the potential consequences and use it for the betterment of humanity. GPT tools such as ChatGPT can be thought of as research assistants or interns for any task or project that one may be working on. These tools can be incredibly useful as they are able to quickly provide information and generate content based on the prompts given to them. However, it is important to remember that just like interns, they are not always right and may require more context or clearer questions to provide accurate information. The widespread availability of GPT tools has the potential to revolutionize the way we work, as every layer of an organization can now have access to their own department of interns. This can greatly increase productivity, but it is important to consider who will benefit the most from this technology. One example of how GPT tools can impact the work of a specific profession is through their potential use in the music industry. Composers such as Hans Zimmer, who has written the music for many films, often work with a large team of other composers. However, with the release of GPT tools that specialize in music creation, these composers may find themselves being replaced by machines. But it's not all bad news for artists and creatives, as the value of human-made, artisanal works will still be present in the market. Machine-made products may be more efficient and cheaper, but there will always be a demand for works that have been created by hand. The art itself is not in the work, it's in the artist's input. Overall, GPT tools should be thought of as a tool to assist in our work, but they should not be relied on to do the work for us. They can help us write, create, and produce content more efficiently, but they will not replace the creativity